In today's video, I want to show you guys what you can do if you have sound problems on your Telefunken TV. Okay, for the first step, we click on this home button here, and when we are here, we go to the left and click on the settings. So, and after that, we can go down to the sound, and here we have the sound mode. So, for the first step, put it on standard, and here we also have the audio output, and this is really important. So if you have an external speaker or something else, you have to select the specific speaker, or if you have a Bluetooth speaker, so you have to select this. And after that, we can also here go on sound mode settings. Here we have this equalizer, and here you have to reset it to default if you have changed something. And also here we can go on apply audio settings, and here we select all sources. And after that, go here. If nothing works or something else, you can also go on reset current mode. So this is what you can do. And here we have also audio output settings, and here you can copy these settings, and after that your problem should be fixed. If I could help you, then please leave a like and subscribe. If not, write down in the comments, we will find a solution, and then see you next time.